Hey guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. One of the things I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to make these pipe shelves that everybody's fanatic about. Just so you guys know, this is a 4-footer, and for everything that it cost there was probably about 30 bucks. And then the piece of wood was probably about $6. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much the shelf is going to be. We're actually going to put it up here on this wall that we made. So I'm going to show you guys the before, and then we're going to go ahead and get started and put it in place. One of the things you might want to make sure is that as you're going through the wall, you need to make sure you hit a stud for the shelves, and if you don't hit a stud, you need to make sure that you get some specific kind of screw that's going to be able to be a toggle so that it'll help keep everything together so that the shelf doesn't sag out over time. Okay? So let's get started, and I'll go ahead and show you what the what and how you can take care of this. All right.